I'm Rachel from CrucialVacuum.com, and today we'll be changing the bag from the Eureka Sanitaire SC3683A. First thing, unplug your vacuum, tilt the vacuum up, pop it open like so. Take this dirty old bag out, you don't need it anymore. While you're changing your bag, why don't you change your pre-motor filter as well? This CrucialVacuum.com bag replaces these part numbers. Take out your new bag with the special Crucial closure from CrucialVacuum.com. Crucial bag! Place it right in there as such. Make sure it's fitted. Wait for the pop. See you at CrucialVacuum.com.